Good afternoon. Today is Friday, October 13, 2023. And here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, October 13, 2023. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for October 13, 2023, Friday. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for Friday, October 13, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for October 13, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.